said you have superpowers. That's amazing. How'd you get them?
Manual.
That manual has staggering metaphysical implications. We have to take it to the proper authorities.
We could do that, but wouldn't you like to know what your powers are first?
I have powers? Wow. With these abilities, I can be a force for social justice.
Oh, God. Can we skip this level?
Come on, it'll be fun. You can hurt a lot of bad guys.
Well, if there's gonna be hurting.
So, we'll cut down all the forests in Springfield and turn each tree into a single luxury toothpick.
Great idea, Mr. Burns. One tiny question, won't that lead to environmental disaster?
If you want to make an omelet, you have to wreck a few planets.
Well said, sir. Well said.
There they are.
A busy worker is a happy worker.
Oh, hey, kissers.
You guys aren't sensitive at all.
Don't you just love Mr. Burns? I mean, your mysterious leader.
Oh, grass lickers.
Meaties.
The plant smells great today.
Oh, this is humiliating.
Pick up the pace, loyal workers.
Crush them. Animal lovers.
Mother Earth is ashamed of you.
Self-esteem can't take this. Ow! My beautiful physique.
My plant is working perfectly.
Gore girls.
What's that? You don't want Christmas off? Well, all right.
Get up. Stop so I can kill you. Stupid kids.
The company is your friend.
Go forth and bloom.
This factory really is a marvel. Those men sure are glistening.
Think less, produce more.
Over there. I mean there. Man, I hate you.
You guys aren't sensitive at all.
The company is your friend.
You guys are jerks.
Tree killers.
You know, fighting is not like this.
Dish it out, but I can't take it.
What's that? You don't want Christmas off? Well, all right.
This certainly is an eventful day.
My plant is working perfectly.
What's that?
You're making your leader very unhappy.
Pick up the pace, loyal workers.
Work is a privilege, not a right. Those men sure are glistening.
A busy worker is a happy worker.
Now that looks scary.
This certainly is an eventful day.
Was it? You don't want Christmas off? Well, all right. Ah, my plant is working perfectly. Pick up the pace, loyal workers.
Game on.
The plant smells great today. Don't you just love Mr. Burns? I mean, your mysterious leader. You know, fighting is a lot like dancing.
Okay.
Think less, produce more.
Work is a privilege, not a right. This factory really is a marvel.
Was it? You don't want Christmas off? Well, all right. The company is your friend.
Let there be green. And so, the smart sister built a path for the stupid brother. Kick ass.
This certainly is an eventful day. Don't you just love Mr. Burns? I mean, your mysterious...
Hey, that sounds like a tree swallow.
No, it sounds like a yellow-crowned heron. Oh my god, that sounds like a chainsaw.
No, it sounds like a buzzsaw. Hey, Carl, why do we fight so much?
Sometimes I think it's because it's all we have left.
Later.
Think less, produce more. A busy worker is a happy worker.
Those men sure are glistening. You're making your leader very unhappy. The plant smells great today.
Pick up the pace, loyal workers. Ah, my plant is working perfectly. A busy worker is a happy worker.
You know, fighting is a lot like dancing.
Think less, produce more.
May tranquility be yours.
The company is your friend. Is it? You don't want Christmas off? Well, all right.
You're making your leader very unhappy. Work is a privilege, not a right.
You older players should like this.
Don't you just love Mr. Burns? I mean, your mysterious leader.
My plant is working perfectly.
The plant smells great today. This factory really is a marvel.
Go forth and move.
Those men sure are glistening. You know, fighting is a lot like dancing. This certainly is an eventful day.
Pick up the pace, loyal readers.
Let's do this.
Think less, produce more.
The plant smells great today.
My plant is working perfectly. The company is your friend.
Let there be green.
Finally.
Pick up the pace, loyal workers.
You're making your leader very unhappy.
Was it? You don't want to Christmas off? Well, all right. The busy worker is a happy worker. Think less. Produce more.
This certainly is an eventful day. You know, fighting is a lot like dancing. Those men sure are glistening.
May tranquility be yours.
Tell Lenny I love you. You saved our lives. You kids are heroes.
Yeah, we're gonna tell everyone we were rescued by, Homer's kids, whose names are...
Bart and Lisa. Oh, I can't believe you forgot our names. You've known us our whole lives.
So, we're not thinking about you all the time, you know?
Lisa, we did it! We destroyed the factory!
They put 200 hard-working Americans out of a job. How are we supposed to feed our families now?
You could retrain in a field with a brighter future, like daycare management or sports massage.
But I've been a logger all my life. My daddy was a logger, and his daddy before that, and his daddy before that.
Hey, great story.
All I wanted was to destroy our delicate ecosystem. And this is the thanks I get.
I'm sorry, sir. You want me to have some goons rough up Al Gore?
I'd like that.